Hello and welcome to another video from How to Webmaster. Today I will be reviewing Constant Contact and also making an account and go through all the setup process. But first up, let's talk about the Constant Contact reviews. Is it any good? I just went and did a quick Google search for best email marketing tools. And you can see here the first thing that came up, Constant Contact, #1 ranking according to WP Beginner. I also went and checked out a couple more websites. So this is the same one, WP Beginner, big WordPress tutorial site. And they have here Constant Contact #1. Quick Sprout, another huge company. And they also rated Constant Contact #1. Constant Contact #1 from website setup.org. And PC Mag, Constant Contact, top picks. So as you can see, Constant Contact is very popular among marketers out there, and you can get started for free. Alright, here's the email plan sign up page. Basically select how many contacts you have, and then as you grow you can increase your plan, and then you enter in an email and a password. And then if you want to prepay for 6 months or 12 months, you get a discount, and also get a discount for nonprofit. And here are the features once again: A/B split testing and importing your contact list. That's pretty important. And you can send out unlimited emails. So if you have 500 subscribers, you can send 5,000 emails or 10,000 emails. It doesn't matter how many emails you send, the price will still be $20. The only difference is you can only have a maximum of 500 subscribers in your list or your email list. Alright, next. And now on this page, you need to enter in your billing information and choose either to set up your free trial account with credit card or PayPal. And there's no commitment, and you can cancel at any time without any additional fees. I usually like to set up trial accounts with PayPal just in case, because I know I can always cancel any subscriptions with PayPal easily through PayPal rather than through the merchant website. Okay, so now we click here to continue and be directed to PayPal. You will need to log into PayPal and then select your payment options and then click here, agree and continue. You will then be redirected back to the Constant Contact checkout page, and now there's a new button right here, pay now and get started. And they're processing the payment, which is $0 for today. Alright, purchase is complete and they've emailed me a receipt. Let's log in and get started. Alright, once you log into Constant Contact for the first time, they give you this 3-step getting started right here. First step, verify your email address, the one you signed up with. And here's what it looks like. They send you an email, click on the link, and you verify your email address just like this. Let's exit that. Now step 2, let's create an email to see how that works. And then step 3, add the contact. So let's do step 2. Constant Contact provide you with a whole bunch of email templates you can use to send to your contacts and subscribers. So today is Mother's Day. Let's click on that. So basically here is pretty much like kind of like Word document or WordPress editing, if you're familiar with that. So you can do things like you can move things around. So let's click on here. You can drag, make this image bigger or not, and then you can click on this settings icon to edit this layout. So you can replace this with a link or replace with a new image. So you can basically drag and drop a new image or upload a new image. Let me click on this stock image gallery to see how that looks. And now the link takes you to a free stock image search. So I did a search for people, and now we have a bunch of people images, free images. I'll just choose this one real quick. Yes, I agree. And now let me click on done. Select that. And let's click insert, and there it is. So you can add any kind of custom images you want to the template as an example. You can even delete it if you want. So Mother's Day sale, you can edit the text. Again, just like Word document, you can change the size, add a link, and the shop button, you can again turn this into a link. Just highlight everything, click this link button, and then you can go to a web page, for instance, link URL, type in your website. So here's my website, howtowebmaster.com, and then this is a pretty powerful feature right here, enable click segmentation. So whoever clicks on this link will be added to another list automatically that you want. So that could be a really useful feature. So insert, now this is now a link, and down here you can choose to just delete all of this, and here you can add in links to your social media. That's up to you. And over here on the left side you can drag and drop these additional blocks. So we have things like more images. You can add a video, for instance. So let's drag that over. So this could be like a YouTube video. Let's click on edit, and you can link to a video. It will automatically generate a thumbnail image. Okay, so I just added a link to one of my videos and it generated this thumbnail automatically. Let's insert, and now there is a link to the video. So there's a lot of features here. You can add in a poll, new headings, columns with text and images, and a coupon. So a lot of things you can do to customize your email template. Alright, let's click on continue. Now on this next page you can select your email list, and right now by default there's only one subscriber in my list. This is my own email, and if you click here, go to contacts page, your first list is automatically defaulted to general interest. And let's click on this, and now we have the first email address. And if you want to add more, you can click here to add more contacts. There are several options to enter in new contacts or subscribers. You can create a new contact one at a time. You can type in or paste in contacts, or upload a spreadsheet like CSV, Excel file, integrate with other apps, or you can upload to unsubscribe your contacts. Normally you would get contacts through a sign-up form or an opt-in form, which you can create. Later on I will show you that in a later tutorial. And there are these other features to obtain new contacts. But for now, in this first tutorial, I will just do a type or paste in my contacts. With this option, you get to enter or paste in email address, first name, last name, or you can choose this tab right here to paste names and emails. First name, last name, email address. Just enter a bunch of email addresses just like this, and you can mix them together too if you want. And once you're done entering or pasting in your email addresses, click on continue over here. And in this next step, you can add contacts to your list. So by default, we have a general interest list here. Let's just apply, or you can create a new list right here and then click on create. And now you can add to both of the email lists or one of the email lists. That's up to you. I'll just add it to my general interest list. And if you want to further organize your list, you can add a keyword or a tag, but I will skip that for now. Let's click on import. And then you have to make sure that these contacts or permission to email to them, these are not spam contacts. Let's click on agree. Alright, import completed. I've added just 2 contacts, and now there's 3 total in my general interest list. Let's go back to my campaign. Let me save it real quick. And in order to save, we actually have to enter in an organization address. And you can actually do that from the My Settings, and then it will automatically add to your physical address every time you send out an email. So that way you don't have to do it every time. So let's go ahead and just complete this form then. The physical address, so your organization name and your address. This will be at the footer of every email messages to comply with the CAN spam policy. Alright, I have filled out the information for physical address. Let's save. Okay, let's go to the next option right here, campaign information, the subject line. If you select here A/B test, you can split test the messages, and it is recommended that you send to at least 1,000 contacts in order to make the A/B testing more efficient or give you a good amount of data. Otherwise, the A/B split testing will not be as useful, but I'll just quickly go over how it works. Alright, so we have here A and B. The A is our Mother's Day sale event. That's the subject line number 1. And B, special Mother's Day 50% off sale now. and 25%. This means that 25% of your list will get this subject line. So for example, if I have 1,000 contacts, 250 contacts will have the first subject line, and then another 25%, so another 250 will see the second subject line. And then down here, how long to wait before declaring a winner. So after 48 hours, whichever subject line has more open rates, the system will automatically send out the winner to the rest of the subscribers, which is 50% left. So that means 500 subscribers will get the winning subject line. And now when to send, you can schedule or send now, and there are some additional options here that you can check out and a preview. So let me click on send now. Are you ready? Yep, send now. Alrighty, your email will be sent shortly, and here's what the email looks like. It's actually sent almost instantly since I only have 3 subscribers. And here's what the email looks like. My custom image here, the Mother's Day template, a link to the shop, my customized YouTube right here. So it looks very nice, and it went straight into my inbox too. And I've also sent one to my Yahoo email, which also sent straight to my inbox and not the spam folders. So I'm pretty happy with that. And that's pretty much it. How to get started with Constant Contact, set up an account, set up a campaign, add some emails to your list, and send out your first email with a nice template. And again, I will be making more tutorials on how to set up a sign-up form, add it to WordPress or your website, setting up a store, and other tips and tricks and tutorials. I'll leave my playlist tutorial link down below. I'll also leave a link to Constant Contact to get your free month. I appreciate it if you sign up with my link. I'll leave it down below. Thanks so much. Let me know if you guys have any questions, comments. Thanks again for checking out How to Webmaster, and until next time, happy marketing.